Every 39 seconds, a cyber attack occurs somewhere in the world. Whether it's shopping, banking, or socializing, each click can expose you to threats. The internet is a double-edged sword. On one side, it offers unparalleled convenience and connectivity. On the other, it presents numerous opportunities for cybercriminals. Hackers are constantly devising new methods to steal your information. This makes cybersecurity knowledge indispensable. Many people believe they aren't targets, thinking only large corporations are at risk. However, individuals are often more vulnerable due to weaker defenses. By acknowledging the threats, you can take proactive steps to safeguard your data. Let's explore why cybersecurity is essential in our connected world. In today's interconnected world, cybersecurity is crucial. From smartphones and laptops to smart home devices, we are constantly connected. This connectivity makes us vulnerable to cyber threats. Cybersecurity protects our personal information from unauthorized access. Without adequate protection, our sensitive data can be easily stolen. The impact of cyber threats is not limited to individuals. Businesses and governments are also at risk. A successful cyber attack can lead to financial loss, reputational damage, and legal consequences. Investing in cybersecurity measures is essential. By staying informed and vigilant, we can mitigate the risks and enjoy the benefits of our connected lives. Phishing is one of the most common cyber threats. It involves tricking individuals into giving away sensitive information. Ransomware is another significant threat. It encrypts your files, demanding a ransom to restore access. IoT devices bring convenience but also vulnerabilities. Hackers can access your home network through these devices. Recognizing these threats is the first step in protecting yourself. Section 4. Practical tips for safeguarding personal data. Using strong passwords is essential. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on your accounts. Keeping your software updated is crucial. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities. Consider using a VPN to encrypt your connection. Implementing these tips can significantly reduce your risk. Section 5. A real-life example, the Equifax data breach. In 2017, Equifax, one of the largest credit reporting agencies, suffered a massive data breach. The personal information of over 147 million people was exposed. This included names, social security numbers, birth dates, addresses, and even driver's license numbers. The breach was caused by a vulnerability in Equifax's website. Hackers exploited this weakness to gain access to the data. The breach went undetected for several months. By the time it was discovered, the damage was already done. Many individuals faced identity theft and financial fraud. It highlighted the importance of robust cybersecurity measures. Section 6. Embracing cybersecurity for a safer future. Cybersecurity is an essential aspect of our digital lives. It protects our personal information and ensures our online activities are safe. By understanding the risks and taking proactive measures, we can secure our digital world. Remember that everyone has a role to play in cybersecurity. Simple actions like using strong passwords and enabling 2FA can make a big difference. Staying informed and vigilant is crucial. While cyber threats are real and evolving, there is hope. With the right knowledge and tools, we can protect ourselves. Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. By working together, we can create a safer online environment for everyone. Let's take the necessary steps to stay safe online and enjoy the benefits of our connected world.